Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to add user and staff to your Shopify store. So the first step is to go to your settings, and then you'll have to simply go to users and permissions. And as you can see here, you can see your store owner. So as you can see, this is me. And if you want, you can transfer ownership. So you can click on that and you can simply enter the email address, the first and last name, and then enter your password. And basically you'll be able to transfer ownership to another person. Now, if you want to add a staff, as you can see, based on your plan, you can add up to 15 persons to your store. So as you can see, I can add only 2 because I have the free trial. So if I want to add more staff, I can simply click on add staff, and then here I have to enter their first name and then the last name and then their email address, and after that store permission. So I'll have to select what they will be able to do on my store. So if you want, you can give them all permissions. So as you can see, you're granting sensitive permission that can significantly affect your store. So basically they can change everything. They can add more users, they can see the finance of your store, they can see the analytics, they can see customers, and much more. So if you want, you can select some of them depending on what do you want that person to do on your store. And as you can see at the bottom, you have app permissions. So if you want them to do some settings and play around with some apps that you've installed on your store, you can select them, and basically they will be able to play around with the settings of this specific app on your store. And as you can see, you can give them access to the point of sale, and then simply click on send invite, and then they'll have to simply accept, and then they can easily start working on your store. And as you can see here, you can take a look and see your staff, and basically that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.